I'm going to show you how you can make a very simple Roblox Obby. Now, first off, you will have to download something called Roblox Studio. Just search it up on your PC. It has to be on PC since Roblox Studio doesn't support Android or iPhone devices at the moment. So just download Roblox Studio here. Tap on the first one that appears, Roblox Studio, and then tap on Start Creating. If you already have open Roblox Studio, then it'll automatically open. Thankfully, I already have Roblox Studio downloaded here. If you don't, then you'll have to download Studio and complete the setup. Don't worry, it's very easy. Just follow the on-screen prompt. But once you have Roblox Studio open, it'll look like this, right? Now, you can make it from scratch if you know what you're doing, but if you're watching this tutorial, then I'm assuming then you don't have anything, right? So first off, I do recommend going to templates, and then on templates, you can see there's a classic OP template right here. Just tap on classic OP, and then it'll actually open up like this, right? Now, from here, this is actually already a game. If I tap on play, I can actually play this, and you can see this is what it will look like. Now, from here, you can just start adjusting stuff. For example, I want to move it here. You can see if I hold N, you can see that's going to be controls that'll open here, right? Now you can see rotate around normal, use initial orientation, disable shaping, toggle shaping. You can do that right here, right? You can move it around like this. You can see part like this. You can move it around if you like. So if you can also change the color. If you like theta, you can also change the theta. You can transform, you can pivot it. So pivoting it like this, pivot here, see? You can pivot, you can change the position. So for example, 10, 10, and then 10, 10, and then 10 like this. It'll actually change once it actually loads in. But you can see, this is how you can start creating an OP here, right? If you want to move it directly, just tap on move here on the upper right. And then you can move it like this, right? You can put it like this. You can move it like this. You can adjust how you actually move. You can see it'll be like that. You want to adjust how this works as well. You can adjust it like that. You can adjust this platform, this each individual platform you can as well. Then you can of course just play it like this. You can see, just wait for it to load. You can press on got it, and then you can see our OP is ready to actually be played. Now you just have to adjust it and then put it to your specific needs, and then that's it. You're done.